सतनाम करता पुरख निरपो निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभम गुर प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच। एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निरपो निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभम गुर प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच।
Good morning, everybody. Let's settle down. Children who are just entering, please find a seat. There's a whole row vacant at the end, and there are some seats up front. 7 of you who are sitting in the aisles, come here. You can come up in front. Yeah, there are some right up here. Come up on the first row. And the second. Just move that, please. Yeah, come up in front. Children. Idhar aa jao. There's one seat at the corner. Thank you. And the seniors who are just entering, please find a place. Okay, let's sit up straight. Please. Quickly settle down. Quickly settle down, please. The last row is vacant. Let's sit up straight. Close our eyes. And for a few moments, just be with ourselves. Let's take a deep breath in and breathe out completely. Breathe in and breathe out. And with every breath, let us take in the positivity and the blessings around us. And with every breath out, let go of any negativity, any stress, anger, tightness, which you might be holding within yourself. Do not attach yourself to any thought at the moment. In your mind, there'll be a million thoughts. Just let them come and go. Don't attach yourself. Just focus on your breath and connect within. The most difficult person to be with is yourself. And as you acknowledge the presence of your own truth, your own conscious, feel empowered and be grateful for the direction you're getting through your own conscience. And with that empowerment, let us be in gratitude today. Rub our hands, cup our eyes, and welcome the day ahead. Good morning, children. Today is a significant assembly. I say significant because I have with me a file which has the names of children from grade 11 who, and many more than this actually, who recognize the leader within them and applied to be on the junior council. Before we announce any names of the final selection, because only 50% of those had to be selected, I want you to give a clap for all 55 of them, because it was voluntary. Thank you. It was voluntary to apply, but when you apply for a responsibility, you also have a duty to fulfill. And these 55, that's nearly half of class 11, recognized that they could take on that responsibility and they could carry out whatever duties were actually there to carry out for themselves. It's not the best thing that we have to choose 50%, but yes, that is the way of the world. But the leader within you doesn't change. And each one of you sitting here has that leader within yourself. That conscience which we just spoke about a few minutes ago is actually the one which will awaken that leader in you. The leader has power, it has responsibility, but it also has to make an informed choice when at crossroads. And that's what defines you as a leader for yourself. Each one of you is a leader for yourself, for your community. Wherever you are in life, you always have a choice. And it is those choices which define what you make of your life ahead. Right? So on that note, I am going to announce a few names. I also want to acknowledge the hard work put in by the senior council. They had very rigorous rounds of interviews and group discussions, and they gave off a lot of their very, very, very precious time to come up with recommendations. And finally, there was a group of teachers who were there to interview all the candidates, and the list which comes out is based on a dual discussion on everything. There are 4 children who were absent for the last round, and there was one who's representing the school. We have taken that into consideration, and based on the recommendations which were there and what the teachers know about those children, the decisions have been made. So there was no online interview for anybody who was not there, for whatever reason, because we already had a whole lot of interviews which were conducted by responsible members of the council. And I now read out the names of the vice captains. And I also want to say that very soon we need to have a house meeting. I think maybe next week, before the exam, we will have a house meeting where all of you can interact with your captains and vice captains. I request the councillors to please fix that up in the morning of next week sometime. Okay, should I start with the houses? I think I should, right? So Gandhara House Vice Captain, girls, is Arnavi Jain. Gandhara House Vice Captain, boys, is Daksh Arora. Taxila House Vice Captain, girls, is Amira Gupta. And Taxila House Vice Captain, boys, is Ritvik Mehra. Vikramshila Vice Captain, girls, is Mannat Verma. Vikramshila Vice Captain, boys, is Zoravar Bedi. Nalanda House Vice Captain, girls, is Anvi Gupta. Anvi, I hope you're feeling good. She fell ill that day. Nalanda House Vice Captain, boys, is Adiv Singh Walia. Now we come to the Sports Council. Sports Vice Captain, girls, is Anvi Gupta. Anvi. Okay, she's pronounces it Anvi? Anavi. Okay, it's written as Anvi, so I'll write it. I'm sorry about that. It's Anavi. They spelled it wrong. I'm sorry. Sports Vice Captain, boys, is Gurik Brar. Sports Prefect, Junior School Prefect, girls, is Ibadat Nanda. Wow, that's... And Sports Junior School Prefect, boys, is Udaybir Bal. Great. We now come to the Neutral Council, and that's a long list, right? So we start with School Vice Captain, girls. Falgun Hansrao. School Vice Captain, boys, is Yuvraj Rana. You could move up here, please. Move up. There are lots more coming in. And I want all of you to smile. I hope you're happy. Junior School Prefect, girls, is Adya Parashar. And Junior School Prefect, boys, is Tejas Patania. Where is Tejas? He's probably out somewhere. He's got a match. Okay, yeah, there are some of them who are playing a match. Okay, now we come to the Junior School Protocol. Now, for the Protocol Prefect, we've added another duty for them, which is environment. So we're going to call them Junior School Protocol and Environment Prefects. That means it is also their duty to decide how they want to take care of saving energy in the school, keeping the environment clean, and seeing that all gadgets are off. They can use whatever ways they want to get to that. So the Senior School Protocol also has an added responsibility, and now we have two Junior School Protocol and Environment Prefects who are, for the girls, it is Gurnaz Kaur, And for the boys, it is Shaurya Sethi. Perfect protocol. Now we come to the technical support. So junior technical support prefect girls is Reva Khanna. And junior school technical support prefect boys is Advai Parker. And the last two are the technical prefects. So the junior school, cultural prefects. Junior school cultural prefect girls is Kyra Kaur. Where are you, Kyra? And junior school cultural prefect boys is Amay Dhiman. So that's 22 leaders who are on stage. Heartiest congratulations to all of you. And with this comes greater responsibility and duty. So first of all, you have to mind your own self and see that you are doing the right thing before you can look at anybody else. So best of luck and God bless you. Hanji, Kandara House Vice Captain. God bless you. God bless you, my child. This is Taxila. God bless you. Hold it back. That's all it was. That's it? So thank you, children. God bless you, and may you carry out your responsibility to the best of your ability and our expectation. So well done. Please take your seats. Yeah. I also have a couple of other results, but before that, I just want to give you a few pointers for the day ahead and the days ahead. First of all, with effect from today, after you leave the auditorium, no classroom will have the air conditioners on. So it is, as soon as you go into your rooms, please open up all the windows and put on the fans. All windows have to be open. Your blinds, curtains have to be up, and there will be no air conditioners now till the end of the year. It's under maintenance. Tomorrow is a parent-teacher meeting where all your parents are expected to come, and it will be nice if you want to accompany them, but any child who enters school has to be in their blues and grays. I'm not saying sports uniform, I'm saying blue and gray uniform. So you can accompany your parents, get a feedback from your teachers, but all of you must be dressed appropriately. And if there are any books which you don't need up till Thursday, tomorrow is a good day to start taking them back home, because after next week, we start with the exam. The measurements for the some events of the founders has started, and the others will soon follow when you're in any of the plays or dances. So as your teachers or the coordinators call you out, quietly come, give your measurements, and go right back. And the circulars are being posted on your school pad. Accordingly, you can get your parents to make that payment for the costume. So that's prep for founders, but before that, we have the exams. I need all of you to prepare in such a manner that you are confident when you come for the exam. The children who are writing the Cambridge papers in classes 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and IG, 9 IG, might have a little break in between the papers. And we are making arrangements how to relax you for that break, right? For the others, it's going to be the 3-hour test, and make sure that you're well prepared. Okay, I have the maths quiz results here. The house which stands first, and this is a total from grades 9, 10, 11, and 12. They had it in 2 parts, is Taxila with 31 marks. Gandhara stands second with 11. Vikramshila stands third with 10. And Nalanda stands fourth with 9. I don't know if that's a score which I would think about it. Why 31 and 9 at the end? Maybe you need to reflect on that. So on that note, I think I hand over to the sports department first.
Good morning. Tiara Page Vanderheit of class 12C participated in the BVC Business Conclave held on 2nd to 3rd August 2024 at Bhavan Vidyalaya, Chandigarh. She secured the 3rd position out of 35 teams in the moot court competition. May I please have her on stage? A delegation of 12 students was sent to Strawberry Fields High School MUN and policy contention. It was held from 26 to 28 July. The awards won are as follows: Zoravar Singh, verbal mention; Bilawal Singh, verbal mention; Harmeet Kaur, special mention; Tiara Vanderheit, high accommodation; Shabek Singh Pannu, best delegate. May I please have them on stage? The participants are also requested to come up on stage as I call out their names: Rubaniyat, Shaurya Sethi, Jay Bhatia, Sehed Singh Gill, and Parvan Singh. May we please have the applause going? There are a few more. The medals, yeah. Barkat Kaur Sandhu of class 9A secured a silver medal in the 49 Chandigarh State Shooting Championship held on 9th August 2024. Zoravar Singh Bedi of class 11C1 took part in the Indian Open Grand Prix competition held at New Moti Bagh Gun Club, Patiala, from 17 to 20 August 2024. In the street shooting junior men category, he won the silver medal. He also entered the Champions of the Champions final in the opening category and came second, missing the trophy by a short margin. Various students participated in sub-junior and junior state athletic competition and won several medals. The 4 into 100 meter relay race boys won the bronze medal. Ruhan Valecha, Ariman Khullar, Haridat, and Ane Javanda. The 4 into 100 meter relay girls also secured the bronze medal. Tashvi Chopra, Anvi Bhari, Yashvi Basin. They are coming from the balcony. Ma'am, she's absent. And Arush Valecha participated in 4 into 100 relay and secured the first position. Gianna Chawla participated in 100-meter race and secured the second runners-up position. Prableen Sanda participated in discus throw and secured the second runners-up position. She's absent, ma'am. Thank you.
I'm proud of you wherever she is. She's not here. That's it? Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
The Purpose of Education is to Turn Mirrors into Windows by Sidney J. Harris. Good morning, everyone. Class 8C welcomes you all to our assembly based on exams.
Ah, yes, exams. We all feel that immense pressure and nervousness when we hear the word exams. We all try our hardest to pass with flying colors, though that does not always happen.
You're right, Arnav. This burden is faced by many students due to the comparison between peers and pressure by families. So today, we will be apprising you all about exams.
But first, without further ado, let us enlighten you all with some of the headlines of the week. Over to Nirav, who will be speaking the national news.
National News. Chhattisgarh Education Initiative 2024. Robotics and AI has been introduced in 800 government schools. The Chhattisgarh government has launched a significant initiative to enhance education and skill development in Naxal-affected and tribal areas. SEBI imposes 624 crore penalty on Anil Ambani, bans him from capital market for 5 years on charge of diversion of funds. Health Ministry orders institutes to change colonial dress code for medical convocations, opting for local traditions instead. India celebrated its first ever National Space Day on 23rd August 2024, marking the first anniversary of ISRO's Chandrayaan 3 mission successful lunar landing. Now I pass on to Dhanvin.
International news. Modi meets Zelensky in Ukraine after Putin. Prime Minister Narendra Modi of India met with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky in Ukraine weeks after meeting with the Russian President Vladimir Putin. NASA delays astronauts return due to Starliner risk. NASA says that astronauts Butch Wilmore and Sunita Williams uh, will not return to Earth until 2025 as it's too risky to bring them back on a faulty Starliner. Philippines accuses Beijing of dangerously firing flare near its aircraft in South China Sea. Ukraine strikes Russian oil facility, sparkling massive fire. Moscow accuses Kiev of unprecedented drone assault. Ukraine claims its drone hit a Russian oil facility, causing a large fire. Moscow's mayor also accused Kiev of launching one of the largest drone attacks ever. Over to Adit.
Sports news. Tanvi Patri, the 13-year-old Indian girl, had recently won the under-15 badminton title with clean stroke play. Indian cricketer Shekhar Dhawan announced his retirement from domestic and international cricket. Paralympic Games, set to begin in Paris from August 28 to September 8th, showcasing the world's top para-athletes. Cristiano Ronaldo scored a stunning free kick for 899 career goals. The German goalkeeper Manuel Neuer announced his retirement from international football on previous Wednesday after playing 124 times for his country since 2009. Over to Amira and Kovaraj.
Vivek High News. VHS announced new junior council today. Congratulations to the newly appointed council members. There's an upcoming competition for grades 9 and 10, the Inter-House English Extempore competition on the 3rd of September. The rules for the same have been shared. The topics will be given 1 hour in advance. The under-17 boys basketball team lost the match in the quarterfinals, whereas the under-17 girls basketball team secured the 4th position in the UT tournament.
An inter-house maths quiz was held on 27th August for grades 9th and 10th. The results for the same announced today. Over to Advait.
Today, there is about 60% chance of rain. The next week will be also very wet, as about 50 to 60% chance of rain. The highest temperature of next week will range from 32 to 35 degrees Celsius, and the lowest temperature ranges from 25 to 26 degrees Celsius. Thank you, and over to Rishit and Arnav.
Now we have Divya who will be presenting the thought of the day.
The future belongs to those who prepare for it today. So start preparing and good luck for your exams, everyone. Thank you.
So, Rishit, how do you feel like when you hear the word exams?
Oh, I definitely feel nervous. But there are some experiences that everyone has during the exam season. Aren't I correct?
Yes, Rishit, you're quite right. Now we're going to perform a relatable skit for you all on some experiences during the exam month.
ਪੂਰੀ ਬਾਬੇ ਦੀ ਆ ਮੇਰ ਜੱਟ ਡੋਂਟ ਕੇਅਰ ਜੱਟ ਡੋਂਟ ਕੇਅਰ ਬੇਬੀ ਜੱਟ ਡੋਂਟ ਕੇਅਰ ਬੁੱਕੇ ਡੋਲੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਸ਼ੇਰ ਜੱਟ ਡੋਂਟ ਕੇਅਰ ਜੱਟ ਡੋਂਟ ਕੇਅਰ ਬੇਬੀ ਜੱਟ ਡੋਂਟ ਕੇਅਰ ਅੱਗੇ ਆਇਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਢੇਰ ਜੱਟ ਡੋਂਟ ਕੇਅਰ
साज हूँ मैं खुद से ही नाराज हूँ मैं सीने में जो कहीं पे दबी है ऐसी कोई आवाज हूँ मैं तूने मारी एंट्रियां दिल में बजी घंटियां रे लग गए 440 वोल्ट छूने से तेरे लग गए 440 वोल्ट छूने से तेरे छूने से तेरे छूने से तेरे छूने से तेरे एक पल बेवफा 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 निकली है तू ही झूठा प्यार झूठा प्यार झूठा प्यार कीता है तू बेवफा 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 निकली है तू ही झूठा प्यार कौन है वो कहाँ से वो आया चारों दिशाओं में तेज सा वो छाया उसकी भुजाएं बदलें कथाएं भागीरथी तेरी तरफ शिव जी चले देख जरा ये विचित्र माया जग सारा बिखर गया हुण प्यार हवा दे विच बिखर गया दिल तेरा हो जाए अंबर और जुड़ जाए मार उड़न दे खुशी कर गया हुण मौजा ही मौजा शाम सवेरे हुण मौजा ही मौजा याद ने हुण मौजा ही मौजा रात वाले हुण मौजा ही मौजा शाम सवेरे हुण मौजा ही मौजा याद ने हुण मौजा ही मौजा रात वाले हुण मौजा ही मौजा
ये क्या हुआ कैसे हुआ कब हुआ क्यों हुआ जब हुआ तब हुआ ओ छोड़ो ये न सोचो
Well, Rishit, I'm sure we would not want to go through such moments. That's why we should be ready beforehand, unlike the ones in the skit. Am I right?
Of course. I always thought that exams are about just memorizing lines and writing them down the next day. But it does not seem right due to my past performances. So, how can I prepare in any other way? You always go well. What's the secret recipe?
Don't worry, Rishit. Our other classmates will be providing you all with a few helpful tips for this exam season. Over to Ananya, who will be presenting the tips.
Here are some tips for the exams. Organize and segment your study sessions. Keep your study space quiet as well as tidy and break down your study material into manageable sections, setting specific goals for each section. Next, use active learning techniques. Engage with the material through summarizing, questioning, and teaching others to reinforce your understanding, and create acronyms, rhymes, or visual aids to help remember information more effectively. Try preparing flashcards for key concepts.
Next slide, please. Practice past papers. Familiarize yourself with the format and types of questions that may appear on the exam by working through past papers and practicing with them. You can also supplement your studies with multiple textbooks, videos, or other educational materials to gain a broader understanding. Next, optimize focus with nutrition, hydration, and sleep. Proper nutrition and hydration can improve overall concentration and function. Ensure you are well rested, as sleep is crucial for strengthening memory and good cognitive performance. For more tips, over to Raina and Pakhi.
Stay motivated and minimize distractions. Maintain a positive attitude and remind yourself of your goals and the benefits of studying. Limit interruptions from social media by turning notifications off while studying. Focus on understanding, not just memorizing, and ask for help when needed. Aim to understand the underlying concepts rather than just rote memorization. And don't hesitate to seek help from teachers, tutors, or classmates if you're struggling with the topic.
Take small breaks. Take breaks by incorporating physical activity into your study routine to improve overall brain function and reduce stress. Reflect on your study habits. Regularly assess what study methods are working best for you and adjust your strategies as needed. Avoid studying one subject for too long, as mixing topics can improve retention and keep you engaged. We hope you find these tips beneficial to ace your exams. Over to Arnav and Rishit.
अगर तुम सूरज की तरह चमकना चाहते हो तो पहले सूरज की तरह जलो. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
That is true, Arnav. Now we have Antriksh, Mihika, and Ronak who will be presenting their thoughts.
प्रिय मित्रों, आप सब जानते हैं हमारी परीक्षाएं नज़दीक आ रही हैं. हमें परीक्षाओं से डरना नहीं है, बल्कि कठोर परिश्रम करना है. अब हम इसी विषय पे कुछ पंक्तियां प्रस्तुत करेंगे.
लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती.
नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है. मन का विश्वास रगों में सांस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना करता है. आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती.
डुबकिया सिंधु में गोताखोर लगाता है, जा जाकर खाली हाथ लौट कर आता है. मिलते नहीं मोती सहजी गहरे पानी में, बढ़ता दुगना उत्साह इसी हैरानी में. मुट्ठी उसकी खाली हर बार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती.
असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो. क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो. जब तक ना सफल हो नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम, संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़ मत भागो तुम. कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती,
कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती.
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद.
That was certainly quite inspiring indeed. It makes me wonder that strength only arrives when one starts to believe in themselves.
Our classmates went around school asking many people how they feel about the exams approaching. Here we will now be presenting some of their interesting views.
बादलों से लड़ने दो
All the best, children, for your half-year examinations. Work hard, try your best, be true to yourself, and no cheating. All the best.
All the best. All the best. Choose you half for the children that are giving the exams. I would advise them to have a good sleep, be proper, and study more and hard. All the best.
योगा एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं तो आप क्या बच्चों को कोई मैसेज देना चाहोगे एग्जाम्स की? बस चीटिंग मत करना. बेस्ट ऑफ लक.
All this week.
All the best. Good luck. Best of luck to you और बहनों. पढ़ना है तो पढ़ो. नहीं पढ़ना है मत पढ़ो. All the best. कल हाउ डू यू?
मौज हो रही है आई.
शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ और उनको ऑल द बेस्ट बोलती हूँ कि वो परीक्षाएं बहुत अच्छे से दें, जी तोड़ मेहनत करें और अच्छे अंक प्राप्त करें.
Okay, everyone, all the very best for your exams. Eat well, sleep well, and prepare well.
I think they should start preparing in advance. Graphic organizers are something that really helped me when I was in school, so I think they should try that.
Study well, work hard, revise all your chapters and be confident and give your best.
I would honestly say that एग्ज़ाम से पहले हमें हमेशा रिवीजन तो ज़रूर करनी चाहिए. एंड माय प्लान इज़ कि पहले पूरा साल पढ़ो और फिर एंड में रिवीजन करो.
All the best, do well, stay away from unfair means.
Exams are around the corner. What are your methods for dealing with the stress?
I sleep around 12 hours a day and I go
We all know that music is a stress buster. So now, our fellow classmates, Vedant, Rudrakshi, Ananya, and Nilesh, would be performing a song for all of you.
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो. सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो. ना 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 na na. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again.
So, Arnav, I think we all are better prepared for the exams now.
Yes, I certainly agree. We hope everyone enjoyed our assembly. And from all of us from 8C, we want to say, all the best for your exams.
We would like to thank Ashish sir,
Dharampal Bhaiya,
and Manoj sir.
And especially our principal for providing us with this opportunity.
Thank you very much, everyone. We all hope that you enjoyed our assembly.
Thank you.
We also appreciate their support and hard work.
We invite them on stage to please join us.
So children, I think all of us really enjoyed the assembly today, and all days when we have assemblies. I think the classes have been putting in a lot of effort. Well done, HC. You all did a great job. On the calendar, when it was made, 9IG did not exist in our lives. At that time, we were still wondering whether we would have a Cambridge section or not, because that was December last year when we had finished preparing the calendar. So one of these days we'll put it out, and 9IG will also be presenting their assembly after the founders. We'll work out a date and let you know, so start prepping for it. Can you take this, please,
Thank you, HC, for that wonderful assembly. All junior council applicants and junior council members are please requested to report to the amphitheater during the break. Thank you. Everyone to please stand up for the school song.
Over land, in the air, on the sea. Together let us work hand in hand at Vivek and ring the bells of victory. Together unafraid, for 100 nights, 100 days. Together let us go where Vivek's flag flies and friendship's banner raised. Together unafraid, with knowledge and integrity, our motto at Vivek. Onwards to the goal we will always march, with faith and hope and cheer. Together unafraid.
Children in the balcony are please requested to stand up and move out of the auditorium. Students to my right, students